Let's break down financial intelligence. What does it really mean to be financially intelligent? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but its core principles are surprisingly simple and accessible to everyone. It's not about Wall Street or being a billionaire. Those images might come to mind, but that's not the essence of it. Financial intelligence is far more practical and down-to-earth than that. It's simply understanding how money works, understanding its flow, its potential, and its limitations. It's about grasping the fundamental principles that govern how money behaves in the world, and making smart choices no matter your income. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage what you have. Financial intelligence empowers you to make the most of your resources, regardless of your current financial situation. Financial intelligence means knowing where your money goes, every single dollar. Tracking your expenses is the first step towards gaining control of your finances. How to grow it, making your money work for you through saving and investing. It's about understanding the power of compounding and making informed decisions to increase your wealth over time, and how to avoid debt traps. Understanding the dangers of high-interest debt and developing strategies to manage and eliminate it. Think of it like learning to drive. At first, there are so many things to keep track of. Overwhelming at first, with all the rules, signals, and techniques to master, but with practice it becomes second nature. You don't have to think about every little thing, it just flows. When you're financially intelligent, you're in control. You're the driver of your financial future. Choosing your financial path instead of letting money control you. You're making conscious decisions that align with your goals and values. Money impacts every part of life. It's woven into the fabric of our daily existence. Where you live, the kind of home you can afford, and the neighborhood you can access. What you eat, the quality of the food you can put on your table, and your access to healthy options, your opportunities, the doors that open to you, and your stress, the weight on your shoulders. Without financial skills, every bill feels like a crisis, a potential disaster looming on the horizon. And big goals seem impossible, like distant dreams that are forever out of reach. But with financial intelligence, you can change that narrative. Money becomes a tool for freedom and peace of mind. It empowers you to live the life you want, without constant worry and stress. Anyone can learn this skill. It's not exclusive to a select few. Age, job, or background doesn't matter. Whether you're just starting out or well into your career, financial intelligence is a skill you can cultivate at any stage of life. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire financial life overnight. Track your spending, even if it's just for a week. Save a little from each paycheck, even if it's just a few dollars, and build habits that transform your finances. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant long-term results. It's about deciding to learn, making a conscious choice to improve your financial knowledge, and taking that first step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the same is true for your financial journey. Let's dive into the basics and start building your financial intelligence now. It's time to take control of your money and create a brighter financial future for yourself. Budgeting isn't about restriction, deprivation, or feeling like you're missing out. It's not about saying no to everything you enjoy. Instead, think of it as a roadmap to financial freedom. It's about intention. It's about consciously deciding where your money goes and aligning your spending with your values and goals. It's about making informed choices that support the life you want to live. A budget tells your money where to go. It gives every dollar a purpose, whether it's for rent, groceries, a vacation, or a new gadget. So you're not left wondering where it went. No more mystery spending or that nagging feeling that your money is disappearing into thin air. Without one, you're flying blind and can't reach your goals. You're essentially wandering through a financial maze without a map, hoping to stumble upon success. Start by figuring out your monthly income after taxes. This is the foundation of your budget, the total amount of money you have to work with each month. Be realistic and accurate. Track every expense for a month. Keep a detailed record of where your money is going. Yes, even the small stuff. Those daily coffees, snacks, and impulse buys can really add up over time. Use an app. There are many great budgeting apps available that can help you track your spending automatically and categorize your expenses. Spreadsheet. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, a spreadsheet can be a great way to organize your budget. Or notebook. Sometimes the simplicity of pen and paper is the best way to stay organized, to see your real spending habits. Understanding where your money actually goes is the first step to taking control of your finances. You'll be surprised how quickly little purchases add up. Those seemingly insignificant expenses can have a big impact on your overall budget. Once you see the numbers, you'll have a clear picture of your income and expenses. You can make smart decisions about where to cut back. Identify areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing the things that are truly important to you. Prioritize what matters to you. What are your financial goals? What are the things that bring you the most joy? Keep what brings joy, cut what doesn't. Focus your spending on the things that truly enhance your life, and eliminate the rest. The 50-30-20 rule is a great guide, a simple framework for allocating your income. 50% to needs, essential expenses like housing, food, transportation, and utilities. 30% to wants, discretionary spending on things like entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. 20% to savings and debt. This includes saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, and paying off any outstanding debt. Your budget should change as your life changes. As your income, expenses, and goals evolve, your budget should adapt accordingly. The key is to have one and stick to it. Consistency is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Budgeting empowers you to spend guilt-free on what matters most. When you know where your money is going, you can enjoy your purchases without feeling guilty or anxious. It's the foundation for financial success. A well-crafted budget is the cornerstone of a secure and prosperous financial future. Start today and take control of your money. Don't wait any longer to start building a better financial future. Saving is where wealth and security begin. Pay yourself first means moving money to savings before spending on anything else. Automate this. Set up a transfer right after payday, even if it's just $25. The habit matters more than the amount. You'll adjust to living on what's left, and your savings will quietly grow. Your first goal, an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. This protects you from life surprises and keeps you out of debt. After that, save for other goals, a house, a car, a vacation, or retirement. Create separate savings buckets for each goal to stay motivated. Paying yourself first is what separates the financially secure from the stressed. It's a simple, powerful habit that builds your financial safety net. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Your credit score. It's more than just a number, it's your financial report card, a snapshot of your borrowing history and repayment behavior. Think of it as a grade that lenders use to assess how likely you are to repay borrowed money. It's a 3-digit number that shows how well you handle borrowed money, reflecting your creditworthiness and financial responsibility. This score is based on a variety of factors, including your payment history, the amount of debt you owe, the length of your credit history, and the types of credit you use. Good credit is a superpower, a key that unlocks a world of financial opportunities and advantages. It's the financial equivalent of having a golden ticket. With a strong credit score, it gets you access to better loans, with more favorable terms and lower interest rates, saving you money over the long term. And it opens doors to more opportunities, giving you a competitive edge in various aspects of your financial life. Lenders trust you when you have good credit, viewing you as a reliable borrower, so you pay less in interest and fees. This translates to significant savings for big purchases like cars and homes, making your dreams more attainable. A high score can save you thousands, even tens of thousands over the life of a loan, freeing up your money for other important goals. Good credit also helps with renting apartments, making it easier to secure a place to live in competitive rental markets. Landlords often check credit scores as part of their screening process. It can even help with getting jobs, as some employers check credit reports as part of their hiring process, and even lowering insurance rates, saving you money on your premiums. It's woven into almost every financial decision you make, influencing everything from your ability to get a loan to the interest rates you'll pay. With good credit, you can leverage other people's money, accessing capital to invest in your future, and achieve your financial goals. This allows you to build wealth faster, taking advantage of opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. Use low-interest loans to buy appreciating assets like real estate or start a business, creating long-term wealth and financial security. Rewards credit cards can even pay you back, offering cash back, travel points, and other perks for your everyday spending. But remember, this only works if you pay in full each month, avoiding interest charges and maximizing the benefits of your rewards. Good credit isn't about accumulating debt, it's about responsibly managing credit and using it as a tool to achieve your financial aspirations. It's about access to financial tools, empowering you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. Use them wisely, and you'll accelerate your path to financial independence, achieving your dreams and securing your future. Protect and build your credit. It's an ongoing process that requires diligence and attention. It's one of your greatest assets, a foundation for financial success and a key to unlocking a brighter future. Bad credit is financial kryptonite. It makes everything harder and more expensive. Lenders see you as risky, so you pay sky-high interest rates or get denied altogether. On a car loan, bad credit could cost you thousands more in interest than someone with good credit. It keeps you trapped in debt, with more money going to lenders instead of your goals. Bad credit can block you from renting a home, getting a phone plan, or even setting up utilities without big deposits. It creates constant hurdles and limits your choices. Worst of all, high interest makes it hard to save or escape debt, leading to a downward spiral. One emergency can push you deeper into debt. Bad credit isn't just a number, it's a heavy weight that holds you back, but it's not permanent. With the right steps, you can rebuild and break free. Don't let bad credit define your future. Meet Sarah and Mike, same age, job and salary, but different financial habits. Sarah budgets, pays bills on time, and keeps her credit low. Her score is 810. Mike pays late, maxes out cards, and doesn't track spending. His score is 590. Both want to buy a $300,000 house. Sarah gets a low 5.5% mortgage, paying $1,700 a month. Mike gets 8.5%, paying $2,300 a month. $600 more every month for the same house. Over 30 years, Mike pays $215,000 more in interest. Sarah builds wealth and security. Mike struggles and falls behind. The difference? Simple habits and credit choices. Good credit opens doors and saves you money. Bad credit closes them and costs you dearly. Your choices today shape your financial future. Choose wisely. No credit or bad credit, you can fix it. Start by getting a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's card. Always pay bills on time. Payment history is the biggest factor in your score. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 30%. Don't close old cards, they help your score. Be patient and consistent. Your score will improve over time. Small, steady steps make a big difference. Financial success is built on small, consistent habits. Do a weekly financial check-in, review your accounts and spending. Automate savings and bill payments so you never miss a beat. Keep learning. Read, listen, or watch something about money each month. The more you know, the more confident you'll be. Practice mindful spending, pause before big purchases, and ask if they align with your goals. These habits prevent mistakes and keep you on track. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Make these habits automatic and your financial life will transform. It's about being intentional, not perfect. Start today, your future self will thank you. You control your financial destiny no matter where you start. The past doesn't matter. What counts is your next step. Financial intelligence is a journey of small daily choices. Spend less than you earn, save and invest the rest, and use credit as a tool. Start with a budget, automate savings, and check your credit. Remember Sarah and Mike, habits make all the difference. Choose to build good credit and a strong foundation. Your financial future is a blank canvas. Start painting. Be patient and consistent. Progress matters more than perfection. Mistakes happen. Learn and keep going. By taking action, you can build a life of freedom and security. Your best financial life is waiting. Go build it. If you like our content, like, subscribe, share, and even comment on suggested topics to sustain our work and reach more people.